these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go.
Hi darlings, and today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine. So let's get this hair up and get on with skincare. I'm just going to put it into a little bun. And here's my skincare bag. I'll keep it all in here. That way it's all together. So to start off with, I'm going to be using the Soap and Glory Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash. So roll the sleeves. Let's take the shirt off. And these sleeves rolled up. And roll that through. And get it this way.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting.
And just get a small amount on my hand. It's nearly empty, so my knee get no. Rub my hands together and massage it into our skin for about 2 minutes.
Me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she...
I've got the boys in here. If you hear that in the background.
Be the one. Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa, why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, just tell me, why did she go?
Now time to rinse it off. Now guys, I then go in with my cleansing stick.
Me so I can't sleep.
It's from Setive's cleansing stick, matcha, green tea and ginger. So let's get a face paint again.
She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep. 'Cause she left me here alone.
I might do with this. It seems to be running out. I've got here and there. Ugh. This seems to be running out as well, so well, I'm actually hit the end. So I'll just stick my finger in there and just try and get some on. There we go. So I'll apply it in my hands since it's run out. I'll put it all over my face. How it spreads. And I'll just massage that into my skin for about 2 minutes as well.
Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone 'cause I can't move on. Whoa, why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa,
And turn it off.
just tell me, why did she go? Why did she go? Whoa, was I supposed to know?
And then I put my contacts in. I'll go off and put my contacts in case there's people watching that don't like this, or if you darlings don't like it. So I'll go off, put them in. Contacts are in, darlings. So now I go, right Pepe. Then I go in with the Pepe. Come on, quiet. Boys. I then go in with the Dual Action Moisturizer from Clean and Care. So I just get a small amount on my hand, and then I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then moisturize that in.
That she'd leave, was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa,
cream, I think is in the room. The boys have went down beside their mammy. But I can find my own cream, but I'm borrowing my mum's. I just prefer this cream because it moisturises them a lot better. It's the CeraVe cream. And here it is. So what I do is I just get a small amount on my hand. And I just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll the rest into my hand and just moisturise it in.
Here on the grass, I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last, and I don't mind being
Rub the excess into my hand.
gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
Moisturise it in as much as I can.
'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been.
And that's that in. I then go in with my eye cream. It's vitamin E Nourishing eye cream. And what I do is I go along a bag line underneath.
Empty, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
And then what it does is just dab it in underneath my eye.
And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick.
And I take the excess along my lid.
Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh.
And the next step is my lashes. I think I go in with the Colour Lash All Day Wear Mascara by Collection. Just do my lashes.
'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why,
I go in with the Rimmel Extra Super Lac.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answer.
And that's my skincare. I do that every morning. That's my routine. So I hope you guys, well, you darlings, enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos just like this one. So I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.